In the last session of a class, we have just completed with your vectors beta and resolution of a vectors. And today let us try to complete the next topic, that is about your multiplication of your vectors. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
अगर एक बार आप क्लास से बाहर चले गए तो फिर आ नहीं सकते बेटा. You can't enter into the class because the meetings are locked. So please try to attend the class and don't by mistake also go outside. I can't allow you to every time. Sure. Multiplication of vectors beta. So first heading, product of your vectors. Product of your vectors. We are having two product of vectors beta in our syllabus. One is known as of your scalar product and another one is known as of your vector product. First one is known as of your scalar product. Also called as what? Dot product. And another one very important, that is about your vector product. Also called as of your cross product. Okay. Cross product is represented by A bar cross B bar, and dot product is represented by A bar dot your B bar. Then see the first ID, dot product, or also called as scalar product. Dot product, or also known as of your scalar product. I hope you remember the formula for this one, beta. A bar dot B bar, two vectors when they have been multiplied, that will be equal to mod A mod B into your cos theta. Okay? So A bar dot B bar will be equal to mod A mod B into your cos theta. The best examples for this one is work. What is work beta? Work is equals to force into displacement. In vector form, it is represented as W is equals to F bar dot your S bar, or it is also written as Fs into your cos theta. Clear? One more example is power. The best example. Power is equals to force multiplied by your vector velocity. Both of them are vector quantity. So P bar is equals to your F bar dot your V bar. Okay. So P bar, it is also written as of your Fv into your cos of your theta. Okay. And try to remember better, dot product of two vectors is always a scalar. Dot product of two vectors is always a scalar. Am I clear? Dot product of any two vectors is what? Always a scalar. And try to remember, A bar dot B bar is equal to what I told you? A into B cos theta. A bar dot B bar is equals to AB into your cos theta. Now in this one, you see, if cos theta value is positive, that means theta should be lesser than 90 degrees. Then dot product will be positive. Remember this one. Then dot product is equals to positive. Am I clear? If cos product, if cos theta is equals to negative, that means theta is in between 90 and 180. That means I can write here, it is your 90 degrees lesser than of your theta. Theta is lesser than 180 degrees. Then dot product is, what is dot product? It will be negative. Cos 90 is 0, cos 120 minus 1 by 2, cos 180 minus 1, like that. Am I clear? Okay, so therefore I can say that scalars can also be negative in this one. Scalars can be negative. Okay, it can be positive, negative, or 0. Because if I'm writing here cos 90 is 0 hota hai, and cos 180 will be equal to minus 1, and cos 120 is equals to minus of 1 by 2. Isn't it? In between 90 and 180, the value will be negative. So scalars can be your negative. Am I clear? Sure. If two vectors are parallel, beta, if A bar and B bar are parallel, then what will be theta? Theta will be 0 degrees. Like this is the vector A bar, and this is the another vector B bar. So it is A bar dot your B bar is equals to AB into cos of your 0. Cos 0 is how much, beta? You know it. Cos 0 will be,
Cos 0 is 1.
so A bar dot B bar will be equal to AB. That will be the maximum. Am I clear? So when the dot product will be maximum, when two vectors are parallel to each other. In the same way, if two vectors are anti-parallel, like if A bar and B bar are anti-parallel, anti-parallel means then theta value will be equal to how much for me? 180 degrees.
180
This
degrees
is the
negative.
vector A bar and this is the vector B bar. Angle between them is how much for me? Theta is equals to 180. So if I'm writing theta is equal to 180, A bar dot B bar is equals to mod A mod B into cos 180. Cos 180 is minus 1, so it is minus of your AB. This will be the minimum. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
If A bar is perpendicular to B bar, that means theta is equals to how much? 90 degrees. Like this is the vector A bar and this is the vector B bar. Angle between them is 90. If A bar and B bar are perpendicular to each other, A bar dot B bar is equals to mod A mod B into cos 90. Cos 90 is how much, beta? 0.
0.
I can say that A bar dot B bar will be equal to 0.
0.
Am I clear?
Yes,
So dot product of two perpendicular vectors are always how much? 0.
0.
If the dot product of two non-zero vectors are 0, then they are perpendicular to each other. You need to remember in that one, beta. Okay. So now this one is very important. If I'm talking about dot product of two orthogonal vectors, dot product of two orthogonal unit vectors. What do you mean by orthogonal vector? The vectors which are perpendicular to each other. Like in x-axis, we represent it by I cap. Y-axis, we represent it by your j cap. And z-axis, we represent it by your k cap. And angle between I and j is 90 degrees. Angle between j and k is 90 degrees. Angle between I and k is also your 90 degrees. So these vectors are called as what for me? Your orthogonal unit vectors. If I'm talking about the dot product of this one, like say I cap dot j cap. I cap dot j cap will be equal to how much, beta? I into j into cos 90. Cos 90 is how much for me? 0. Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
clear?
sir.
The same way, j cap dot your k cap beta will be equal to mod of j mod of your k into cos 90. What will be it when? 0.
Again 0.
K cap dot I cap, that is also equal to how much for me? K
0.
mod of your I into cos 90. That is also your 0.
0.
One thing is very clear that whenever I'm talking about two unit vectors like I cap dot j cap, that will be equal to your j cap dot your k cap, that is equals to your k cap dot your I cap, that is always equals to how much for me? 0.
0.
Am I clear? So once again, you see what we have been started. We just started with your product of vectors. I told you that we are having two types of a product vectors, that is known as scalar product or dot product, represented by a bar dot b bar. Another one is a vector product, which is called as cross product, and is represented by a bar cross b bar. What do you mean by dot product beta? Dot product is a bar dot b bar is equals to mod a mod b into your cos of your theta. The best example is work. W is equals to F dot S. Power is equals to F dot into your V are the best examples for your dot product. Now here one thing I told you very clearly. Whenever I'm talking about two dot products, dot product of two vectors is always a scalar quantity. Am I clear? So see, if cos theta value is right now for me positive, if cos theta value is right now for me how much? Positive, that is theta lesser than 90, then dot product is positive. Okay, if dot product is negative, that means it is in between 90 and 180, then dot product is right now for me negative. Clear? And one more very important point, what is that? Scalars can be negative. It can be positive, negative, or it may be a 0. Am I clear? If two vectors are parallel, then a bar dot b bar will be equal to your maximum. If two vectors are anti-parallel means angle between them is 180, then a bar dot b bar will be equal to minus ab, that will be minimum. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, beta, a bar dot b bar, angle between them is 90 degrees, then a bar dot b bar will be equal to 0. Then I told you very important points like I cap dot j cap or j cap dot k cap or k cap dot I cap will always be equal to 0. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now tell me the answer for this one. If I multiply two similar vectors, beta, okay, the value of self dot vectors, self dot product is what? Is a square of magnitude. Is a square of magnitude. That is a bar dot a bar will be equal to how much for me? A square.
A square.
Am I clear? The best example is for this one, like kinetic energy. Kinetic energy formula half into m into v square.
Half mv square.
That means I'll write this one as half into m. This will be v bar dot your v bar. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Self dot product is what? Square of the magnitude. Like say if I'm talking about I cap dot I cap, isn't it? That will be equal to how much for me? I square. I value is how much for me? 1. 1 square will be equal to how much for me? 1.
1.
1.
I cap dot I cap or j cap dot j cap or k cap dot your k cap is always equals to 1. I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap or k cap dot k cap is always equals to your 1. Because angle between them is how much? 0.
0.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure, very good. And next one you try to remember, dot product is commutative. It is commutative and distributive also. Clear? Sure. And this one is very important. If I'm writing in orthogonal vectors better, like a bar dot b bar is equals to, this will be ax into bx plus of your ay into your by plus of your az into your bz. I'm not going for the proof. because I'm not doing for IP part of relation. Directly remember that if I'm talking about A bar dot B bar, if it is given in X and Y coordinates, AX into BX will be plus AY into BY plus AZ into your PZ. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Let me tell you how far you have understood this one. See this question. Find the value of I cap multiplied with your I cap plus J cap plus K cap. So tell me, what will be the value of your I cap multiplied with I cap plus J cap? Just multiply that one. I cap into your I cap. This will be equal to how much right now for me? Plus I cap into J cap plus I cap into your K cap.
Cap.
Dot product is what I told you, distributive, na? I dot
Yes.
into I dot
Yes.
is how much better? I dot into I dot is 1.
1.
One.
Dot into J dot is 0.
0.
I
Zero.
dot into K dot is
Again
0.
zero.
Is again 0. 1.
1.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
One more question, faster. Find the value of I cap plus J cap multiplied with your I cap minus your J cap. First, just need to multiply this one. Multiply this one. I dot into I dot. This is I cap dot I cap minus I cap dot your J cap plus of your I cap dot your J cap minus of your J cap dot your J cap. Can I write like this?
Yes.
I dot into I dot is 1
1.
minus I dot into J dot is 0. I
Zero.
dot into J dot is also 0.
0.
Zero.
J dot will be equal to 1.
Minus 1.
So what will be the answer?
Ultimately zero.
0.
0. 1 minus 1. It will be equal to 0. Isn't it? Because dot product is distributive.
Distributive.
Isn't it? Am I clear? Any problem in
Yes.
this one?
No, sir.
Sure. So whenever two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their product is always equals to how much for me? 0.
0.
Am I clear? Sure. Tell me the answer for this question. If A bar is equals to 3I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap and B bar is equals to I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. Okay, then find the value of A bar dot B bar. Find the value of A bar dot B bar.
Sir, answer is 7.
Answer is
7.
7.
Yes.
How? A bar dot.
Sorry, sir. 10. I mean 11. 11. Sorry, 11. I meant.
So it is what? What is the formula I told
Yeah,
you?
level.
AX BX plus AY
BY
plus
plus
AZ.
AZ BZ.
BZ.
This is your AX. This is your AY. This is your AZ. This is your BX. This is your BY. This is your BZ. Just multiply. AX value is 3 into
3 plus 2 plus 6.
BX value is how much for me? I means how much?
1.
1.
Plus AY is how much for me? 1.
1.
BY value is how much for me?
2.
2.
This one is 2
2 into
And
3.
3.
into 3. Very good.
Yes.
How much for me? 3.
3
11.
plus 2 plus
This
6.
will be equal to how much?
Level.
11.
11.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, one more question faster. If F bar is equals to 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap Newton and displacement S bar is equals to 3I cap plus J cap minus 2K cap meter. Okay, then find the work done. Find the work done. So make
Sir,
it first.
3 newtons meter. 3 answer is work done is 3.
Work done is unit for the work will be equal to how much beta? Joule.
Joules, yes,
W
joules.
equals to F bar dot S bar. F is equals to how much for me? 2I cap minus of J cap plus of your K cap. Multiplied by S. This is your 3I cap plus your J cap minus 2K cap. I is known as unit vector. Value is 1. J cap is also 1. K cap is always equals to your 1. Am I clear? So now W will be equal to, again I can write this one as Fx into Sx plus Fy into Sy plus Fz into your, so it is your Fz into your Sz. Am I clear? Because this will act as Fx, this will act as Fy, it will act as Fz. This will act as Xx, Xy, Xz. Do the substitution, just multiply whatever the formula I told you right now. Fx is equal to right now for me 2 into your 3, isn't it? Plus this one is minus 1 into your 1, then plus this will be equal to 1 into this one is minus 2. Am I clear? So 2 3s
Yeah.
are 6.
6
This value will be equal to
minus 1
plus it will be equal to minus.
minus 2
So this will be 6 minus 1
minus
2
1 minus
will
2
be equal to 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus
minus 3
that will be
plus 3.
equal to 3 joules.
3 joules.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, one more question based on same model. If F bar is equals to 2I cap plus 4J cap Newton and displacement S bar is equals to I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. Now see in the F there is no K. If nothing is been given, then we take it as what? 0. Okay. Then find the work done. Find the work done. So let's try to do it faster.
14 joules, sir.
Very good.
14.
W is equals
Yes,
to
14
F
joules.
dot into S. Very good. That will be equal to, I'm directly multiplying I into I. That will be equal to 2 into 1 plus this will be 4 into 3. The next one is plus. Here there is no K. If there is no K means 0. 0 into here it is right now for me 5. Unit is joule. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 4 3s will be equal to 12. 0 into 5 is 0. That will be equal to 12 plus 2. It will be equal to 14 joules. I got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Tell me the answer for this one. If the force F bar is equals to 3I cap plus of your 4K cap Newton. Here N is J is not given. That means J will take it as 0. And V bar will be equal to 3J cap plus 2K cap. Unit is meter per second. Here I is not given. When I is not given, we take it as of your 0. Then
12.
find the power.
8. 8.
Then find
8.
the
8.
power. Very
8
good.
joules.
Just multiply that one, beta. Very good. Power formula. Power is equals to F bar dot your V bar. So F is equals to 3 I cap plus 0 J cap because it is not given plus 4 K cap dot V is equals to 0 I cap because I is not given there plus 3 J cap plus 2 K cap. Now multiply it. 3 into 0. How much it will be?
0.
0.
0 plus 0 into 3
0.
plus
Plus 4 2
4 2 8.
into 0 is
8.
right now for me. This is 0 plus 0 into 3 is 0 plus 4 2 is 8. So it is equals to 8 watt
Watts.
is the unit of the power.
Power.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Without in this one?
No, sir.
Very good. So next question. If F bar is equals to 3I cap minus 4K cap Newton and displacement S bar is equals to 4J meters, then work done W is equals to how much? One word answer. Work done
0.
formula
0.
0.
0.
dot into S. What is F beta? 3 I cap
3I minus 4
Minus 4
plus
K.
0 J cap minus 4 K cap
4K cap.
K, yeah.
dot S. S is equals to 0 I cap
0 I cap
plus 4
plus
J cap
0
J
plus
cap
plus
0
0
0.
K.
K cap.
So that is equals to, just multiply this one. 3 into your 0
0
plus 0
0
into
into 4
4
plus
plus
minus
4
4
minus 4 into
4 into
0.
0.
3 into 0, 0,
Ultimately 0.
0
0
minus
plus
0. So
0
ultimately it is 0.
Hmm.
So since the dot product is 0, that means since here see, since dot product is 0, when the dot product will be 0 beta? When force is perpendicular to displacement.
Yes.
Isn't
90
it?
Yes.
degrees.
Force should have been like this and displacement should have been like this. Then angle
Yes.
between them is 90. Then only the work done will be equal to 0. This must
0.
be, since the dot product is 0, that means force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, very good. Are you able to follow better, everyone? Anyone? Am I going fast for anyone? You just let me know. I'll go slow. That's not an issue. If you're not able to follow, please open your mic and talk to me because I'm here to help you out. I'm not just here to teach the subject and go off. If you're not understanding, if you're not having clarity in the concept, you please let me know. I'll try to do it once again. If I'm going fast also, you can just let me know. I'll try to see that. I'll reduce the speed. Chalo, next one. See now, Victor.
Okay.
This video recording is already recording also there, but I'll send you the recording also. You can reread it or you can see the video whenever you get a problem in anywhere, basically in a slow motion. Chalo. See the first vector, first question, madam. If A bar is equals to I cap plus 4 J cap plus C K cap. Okay. And B bar is equals to your 2 I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Okay. And he is telling that A is perpendicular to B. Okay. Then find the value of C. Find the value of C. Two vectors are given by A and B, and they are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular to each other. That means A is perpendicular to A bar is perpendicular to B bar. If A bar is perpendicular to B bar means theta is 90 degrees. If theta is 90 degrees, A bar dot B bar will be equal to mod A mod B into cos 90. Cos 90 is 0.
0.
A bar dot B bar will be equal to how much one? Therefore, A bar dot B bar will be equal to 0. What is the value of A given beta? I cap plus J cap plus C K cap. You just multiply here. So this will be equal to I cap plus 4 J cap plus C K cap. C K cap. And it is a dot product of your B. B value is equals to 2 I cap plus J cap plus K cap. This will be equal to 0. Just now multiply I and I. I dot into I dot is 1. So this will be equal to how much for me? 1
2.
into 2.
1 into 2.
Plus next one is 4 into 1. Plus next one is C into 1.
3 into 1.
That will be equal to 0. 1
0.
into 2 is 2. 4 into 1
2.
is 4. Plus C into 1 is C. That will be equal to 0.
0.
4 plus 2 is how much?
6.
6 plus C
6.
is equals to
P
0.
is equals to
0.
minus 6.
Minus 6.
Plus 6. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Take problem up. Will you try to do it better? Based on same
Yes,
model.
sir.
T.
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
example, if A bar is equals to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus alpha K cap and B bar is equals to your I cap plus this one. I'll write a little bit different so you get confused. This will be equal to right now for me here. Just a minute. This one is J cap minus of your I cap plus of your K cap. Be a little bit careful. Okay. And A and B are perpendicular to each other. And A perpendicular to B. Then find the value of alpha.
Sir, minus 1.
Value of alpha.
+1.
आ गया?
मेरे
Everyone
को minus 1 आ रहा है.
A and B are perpendicular to each other. Whenever they are
Yes.
perpendicular, just now I told you A bar
A bar
dot
dot
B
B
bar
bar
will
is
be
equals
equal
to
to 0.
0.
So this will be equal to 2 I cap plus
Plus
3 J
3
cap
J cap
plus
plus
alpha
alpha
into K cap. This one is dot. This one is J cap minus I cap plus of your K cap
K cap
will be equal to
equal
0.
to 0.
This one is right now for me 2
2
into
into minus 1.
because I can multiply with I and I only beta. I
Yes.
and J will be equal to 0 because if I multiply I and J, that will be automatically 0. So it will be 2 into minus 1, then plus. This will be equal to 3. J to J I can multiply. J value is how much for me?
1.
Very good. Plus alpha is K cap. K value you multiply with your K. K into 1 will be equal to 0. So 2 into minus 1 is how much for me? Minus
Minus 2 plus
plus
3
3
plus alpha.
alpha is equals to 0.
0. 1 plus alpha is 0. Alpha is
yeah.
minus.
Alpha is equals
So
to
alpha
minus
value will be equal to 2 minus 3.
Hmm.
That will be equal
That's
to
happened here.
minus 1.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear with this one? Sure. Next heading लिख लो जल्दी से. Applications of dot product. Application of dot product. Sure. First one. So to find the angle beta, if he is asking the problem, to find the angle between A bar and B bar, we always use the formula A bar dot B bar is equals to mod A mod B into cos theta. So I need angle. So cos theta will be equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod A mod B. This is the way you calculate the value of your cos theta. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Very important. Next one. To find the projection better. To find projection of A bar on B bar. Okay. In scalar form, I'm doing first. Projection matlab kya? Projection of A bar on B bar means in scalar form, like say for example, if I'm writing the values like this is the vector A bar and this is the vector B bar, an angle between them is theta. What I'm telling, we are talking about what? Projection of your A bar on B bar. So what is the projection of A bar beta? If I resolve it, this will be A cos theta. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
That means AX will be equal to A into cos theta is the projection. That can be written as of your A into cos theta can be written as what beta? A bar dot B bar divided by mod A mod B. I can write in terms of AB. So this A will get cancelled. This value will come out for me. A bar dot B bar divided by mod of B. So that can be written as of your A bar dot B bar divided by B can be written as what beta? B cap. Unit vector I have told you now. N cap is equals to N bar divided by mod N. So now here in this case right now for beta, in this case right now, B bar divided by mod of B can be written as what? B cap. That means a projection of your A bar and B bar means whenever we get, what will be your answer? Projection of A bar on B bar will be equal to A bar dot B cap. This is the formula you need to remember. Shall I tell you once again or you got it?
Got it, sir.
Everyone, we need to find what? Projection of your A bar on B bar. That means component of A on B. Let's say we are having two vectors here, A bar, another B bar. Projection of A bar and B bar means what? A cos theta. So that is the reason I have written A cos theta here. So now A cos theta value will be equal to A as usually. Cos theta is equals to A bar divided by mod A mod B. Even if I'm not writing, you should understand that Here it will be mod A and this will be your mod B. So this mod A and this mod A will get cancelled. So A bar dot B bar divided by mod B. B bar divided by mod B is nothing but B cap. So projection of A bar on B bar is how much always for me? What is the projection of A bar on B bar?
A
Projection
bar
of
dot
A
B cap.
bar on
Dot
is
B
equal to
cap.
A bar dot B cap. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now in vector form, if I am writing better. In vector form. In vector form, it will be AX is equals to A cos theta followed by direction. That will be equal to B cap. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That means already we did for A into cos theta beta here. I'm not doing it again. A into cos theta, what I got? A bar dot B cap. So directly I can write here this one as what? A bar B cap multiplied by B cap again. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the vector form of your X on your B.
Sir,
हाँ बोले बेटा.
sir, why you took that A cos theta for the formula? It was A bar dot B cap, right?
This one now, we know that projection means what, but I just now told you if this is the vector A bar and this is the vector B bar, I told you if I'm projecting A on B means I need to take the component of that one, that is A cos theta, and this is a number now, so this is a scalar. So if I multiply it by the direction of your B cap, that will become a vector form.
Okay, sir.
In the same way, if I'm talking about projection of B bar on A bar, how do you write? But anyone can tell me?
B bar on A bar.
Projection of B bar on A bar. What will be
B
the answer?
cos theta.
B cos theta.
Theta.
How much better?
Cos theta A
B
cap.
cos theta.
Cos
Theta.
theta A cap.
That means that will
Into
be
A
equal to
cap.
how much for me? B
Yes, sir.
cos theta means what is the formula I got right now for me? A bar dot B
Bar
cap.
dot B
Here
cap.
I'm getting as what? E bar
B
B
bar
bar
dot A
dot
cap.
A cap.
cap. Vector form, what will be the vector form? Can anyone tell me?
B bar dot A
Dot
cap
A cap
into B
into
cap.
A cap.
It will be
A
equal to
cap,
what?
no?
A cap. A cap.
Bar
Into A cap,
dot
yeah.
A cap multiplied
Into
by.
A cap.
A cap.
A cap.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Let us try to do one problem better. Here. If A bar is equals to I cap plus J cap and B bar is equals to J cap plus K cap, then find angle between A bar and B bar. Chalo, try to do it. We got two vectors, A bar and B bar. So how do you find the angle beta? Formula cos theta is equals to formula A bar
B bar
dot
dot
B
B
bar
bar by mod A
divided
into
by
mod B.
mod
Mod
A.
A into
Mod
mod
B.
B.
Now tell me how to write the mod A. A bar is given as I cap plus J cap. Mod of A will be equal to under root of
Under root of 1
I
square
square
plus
plus J square. What is the value of your I? 1.
1.
Is 1 plus 1. That will be equal to root 2.
Root 2.
B bar will be given as J cap plus K cap. Mod of B will be equal to again same under root of J square plus K square. That is under root of 1 square plus 1 square. That is equal to again root 2. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Cos theta will be equal to A bar dot B bar. That is I cap plus J cap. This is dot J cap plus of your K cap divided by mod A is equals to root 2 into and mod B is also equal to root 2. Am I clear? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
I cap dot J cap plus of your. What will be the answer for this one? You tell me.
0 I cap dot j cap तो 0 हो
Zero.
जाता.
I into j will be equal to 0.
Zero.
Zero.
Plus right now for me, j into j will be equal to how much for me? 1.
1.
J into j will be equal to 1. Again, I into k will be equal to 0. J into
Zero.
k also will be equal to 0. I'm writing that step
Zero.
directly. Can I clear?
Yes.
So this value
Yes,
will
sir.
be how much for me, beta? Only 1 divided by root 2 into root 2. Clear? Root 2 into root 2 is how much?
1 by
1 by 2.
1
Root
by
2
2.
is
1 by 2.
Theta is equals to 1 by 2. So for what value of theta it is 1 by 2, beta? So theta must be
Cos
equal to
60 1 by 2.
degrees. Cos 0 is equals to 1. Cos 30 is equals to how much?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by
Root
2.
3 by 2. Cos 45.
1 by root 2.
Cos 60.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by
Cos 90 तो मैंने अभी बताया आपको.
0.
Cos 90 is
It
equals
is
to
0.
0. Cos 120 will be
Minus
Minus
1 by
of 1
2.
by 2.
cos 180 is equals to minus.
Minus 1.
You need to remember it.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So applications of this one we'll try to complete in next session of a class beta tomorrow, and we'll even try to do the cross product. I have sent it one assignment on dot product. You try to do it on yourself. If you're not getting, you let me know. Otherwise, in the class I'll try to discuss. Right,
Okay,
Bas?
sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
With the
And
dot-
sir, Monday, Saturday class notes, please will you share it?
Yes, beta. I'll try
Saturday
to
class.
share it. Beta, can we make the class a little bit late in evening for everyone? Is it okay? Because it's 6:30 and 6:45, so many students are feeling uncomfortable because by the time they reach the college, it is getting late. Late in evening, something like 9:30 to 10:30. Or
Yes,
any
sir.
other-
We can do
Yeah.
that.
Yes,
Yeah, we
Sir,
can.
what you said, can you repeat that?
Which one, beta?
No, just now for timings. Like,
Timings actually for some of the students at 6:45 it is becoming difficult. Can we make it in the evening 9:30 to 10:30? I'm asking.
sir, no, we go to college, we have classes at that time.
Night,
Not
No, not morning.
evening.
Night
Okay.
time.
morning. I'm also having
Night, yeah.
classes. I can't take before 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Yes, it
Yeah,
can.
evening, sir. Okay.
Evening,
In
Evening
the
is
night.
okay.
9:30 to 10:30 if it is okay for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Just let us, your sirs know, sirs, or you just talk to sir once, and if there is a possibility, I'll try to arrange. But tomorrow, anyhow, the class will be at 6:45 only. 9:30 to 10:30, you just ask your concerned in charge teachers and let me know. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you.